Good morning. I don't remember where I am. Let me check. San Leonardo. I have a cemetery here. If you can see it, I have this cemetery, the vineyards. Well, vineyards everywhere. When the crags or the mountains. Let's call it mountains. Then I have this picnic area here, and well, you can park. I parked. Oh, this is a lucky shirt. I woke up 8 o'clock in the morning. I had a minivan from Germany stopping next to me. They left early in the morning. They made a bit of noise, but that's okay. I slept very well. Let's see what do we have on this side. Well, this is what we have on this side here. Hello, Duster House. We have railways next to the national road, plenty traffic, but I think since I started this trip 11 days now is the best sleep I had so far. Yes, which is interesting. Best sleep I had so far. It might be that I'm getting tired. I stopped. I washed the car in a city. It was on my way. Then I was driving but searching for a spot to park. I've seen this one and I thought, okay, well, this is the best opportunity for two occasions. To sleep, to stop, rest, sleep, not drive, and then to reorganize the car. I've started last night, well, in the evening, 8 o'clock, 8:30, something like that. It became dark. I decided to just jump on the tent and sleep. Oh, look at train. As I told you, now I will do what I was supposed to do last evening, which is reorganize the car. I bought some pasta, good quality pasta. I'm now on my way to buy olive oil from Trevi. I always buy from there very good olive oil. I might record that and share it with you. Very, very good olive oil. I wanted to show you this blanket here. I have two blankets. This is duck down, minimum 80%. I have two thickness with me during this trip. I have this blanket. This is thick from Therm-a-Rest as well. I keep it covered. I use it mostly when it is cold. It is thick enough. Still a blanket. I don't do well with sleeping bags. I have them, but I love the blankets more. It gives me more freedom inside the tent. Hence, I'm using blankets. Both are from Therm-a-Rest. This is thicker. It is mostly down, at least 80%. And then I have this synthetic one from Therm-a-Rest as well. This is for summer nights like last night. It was warm here compared to Canazei or Cortina d'Ampezzo. In Canazei was super cold. This one in here was warm, and this one did it justice. I kept this aside, no need for it. Both from Therm-a-Rest, they're good. This is nothing, it's light, very light, but for summertime like now, for summer nights when it is a bit chill outside and you want to put something to cover yourself. If it is really warm, then I will take this linen, what's the name of it? I'll take the blanket out of it and use only this instead of using this. This keeps you quite warm, so it might be that some nights I only need the thing. Yes, I wanted to show you these things. This is the pyjama. I will change now with the day clothing. Put a new t-shirt today. T-shirt or shirt? I don't know exactly. Where is the shirt? The shirt somewhere here. This one. It's about time to change this one. I have it for 2.5 days. Yes. But it was cold in Canada, so I wasn't sweating or anything. I used the headlamp last night. I have some lamps here for the lighting while I'm in the tent. Nothing else. It was quite minimalistic. It has to be minimalistic because yesterday police came and I realized one thing. I don't have a system to jump off the tent and close it as fast as possible, which should be under a minute. Yesterday when police came, I was rushing to make sure they will not find me, and I didn't know what to grab first and on which side of the tent to jump, how to open, how to get out. Not cool. We'll see about that. I'll have to think about it. It has to be fast deployment and fast packing back on and getting out of there. Yes, we have a cemetery here. It was good. It was the best night I had so far. It is still chill outside, but I have to rush because the sun comes from that side. I presume I have 2 more hours before it is above the mountain peak and will splash onto the valley. It should be enough for me to pack everything, to reorganize the duster house and be ready to drive.